What's going on, everybody? So, I'm trying, I really am trying to let this BS go, but obviously he's going to keep attacking regardless of if I let it go. Um, I'm going to show y'all a couple screenshots of some fake people that commented and said that I wouldn't refund them, my services were bad. Um, some weird names, too. Uh, I guess it's just another one of his made up channels. He has so many of them that he uses for reviews and comments and stuff like that. But supposedly made a video where he edited the little video zoom, which I knew he was going to do that. And that don't bother me, but just know that I'm here to stay no matter what him or anyone else does. It's kind of funny, but like I said, I've damaged his business. I don't know how he's eating, honestly, because anybody with a little bit of common sense is not going to sign up with a scammer. All right, y'all. With that being said, I guess it's just not going to stop. He's going to be creating these fake names. I guess what I should have done instead of blocking them was ask them to email me a copy of their agreement if they really signed up with me, which I know they didn't. I've never seen that name before. Anyway, if y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great night.